Hi everyone, want to turn your words into stunning AI generated images in seconds? Meet the ImageFX, Google Labs advanced AI tool for creative image generation. Whether you need a realistic art, fantasy landscape, or unique digital designs, ImageFX makes it easy. In this guide, I'll show you how to use the ImageFX like a pro for the best result. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google Lab, and then find the image FX in the AI experiment section and sign in with your Google account. If you don't see it, make sure you're in the supported region. Then enter a creative prompt. Describe what you want. Type a detailed like you want. And then want to try a different style? Try a realistic, anime, pixel art, oil painting, and more. Then adjust the lighting, textures, color, and easy sliders. Try different image variations until you get the perfect result. If the image isn't quite right, tweak your prompt and generate again. Save your best prompts for the future use. Save and share your artwork. Download the image in the high resolution, share your creation on social media, blogs, and projects. What even more creative power? Try combining the Image FX with other AI tool like Music FX or Video FX. And that's how you create incredible AI images with Image FX. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.